Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into DFan XYZ, a platform that's changing the game for content creators. If you are tired of the usual like identity verifications, content, or delayed payouts, DFans might just be the solution you have been looking for. In this video, we will explore how DFans allows user creators to monetize their content with fast USD payouts and no minimum withdrawals limits. Plus, we will discuss its unique features and what sets it apart from their platform. So, whether you are a seasoned creators or just starting out, stay tuned to discover how DFans can empower you to take control of your creative journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update. Let's get started. Start using DFans, simply click on the Become a Creators button on the home page. Once you do that, click on the Apply Now button to move from forward. After that, you will be given the option to either sign in or sign up. You can create a new account manually or just connect it your Google account for a faster and easier process. Personally, I am going to link it directly with my Google account to keep things simple and quick. While filling out the verified created application on DFan, the first thing you need to do is enter your username in this given field. Right below that, you will need to select your country or region from the list. After that, you will be asked to mention what kind of country you plan on creating on the platform. If you have links to any other fan sites or platform where you are already active, you can add those links as well. You will come across a question, where did you find out about DFans, and you will be given some optional answers to choose from. Since I heard about it my friend, I will go ahead and select friend as my option. If you have received an invitation code, you can also enter that in the given field. Lastly, there is a section where you can show fans where you are properly. You can fill this out to let people know where they can follow you or see your work. After filling out all the details, just click on the submit button to complete your application. Once that done, you will need to click on the create subscription tiers button. This step is important. It helps finalize your setup. After this, your account will be approved as a verified creators and you will be ready to start earning on DFans. Now let's talk about profile setting and how you can set them up properly. Below that, you will need to type your display name. This is the name that will be visible to your fans. Next, in the headline section, you can type a short intro or something creative about yourself. Along with that, you can also add your location. This can be any city or any country you want to do show. After that, you will see an option to add your social media links like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any platform where you are active. Once everything is filled out, just click on the save button and there your profile will be all set. Once you are completed your profile setup, it's time to create a subscription tier. Simply click on the subscription tiers button and new page will appear on the right side of your screen. Here you will need to enter a title of your tier. You can choose any name you like. After that, set a monthly price for your subscription. You can choose whatever amount you feel is fair. Next, you have the option to add their benefits. Like this helps add your fans know what they will get when they subscribe. I will just add a simple benefit here as an example. You can also make use of the profile promotion features to boost your visibility. Just below that, there is an option of subscription bundles where you can add offer discount based on duration. For example, you set up bundles for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months and apply custom discount. Once everything is set up, just click on the save button and your subscription tier will be live. Let's talk about the chat section of on DFans. This setting is used when someone has not messaged you yet. Basically, it's a difficult message or setup you can control so that no one send you message unless you allowed it. This option lets you create an automatically welcome message that gets sent to anyone who subscribes to your profile or send you a message from the first time. You can write a friendly greeting now. Now let's move on the AI chat features. To get started, simply click on the AI start. First, you will need to create your AI chat character by entering a name and selecting the gender. If you want, you can also add a birthday, then choose the language your AI will communication in. Next, you will be asked to upload a paid photo or videos. This is the media fans will see when interacting with your AI character. After that, enter a title and set a price. You can choose any price that feels right from your content. Once everything is filled out, just click the save button and your AI chat will be live and ready to earn. When you first land on the DFN homepage, you will notice a clean and simple layout. Right at the top. You will see buttons like become a creator and login, which helps you can quickly get started. As you scroll down, you will find a short introduction to the platform explaining how DFans helps creators earn through subscription and pay content, all with fast payouts in USD and no minimum withdrawal. The homepage also highlights the platform main features like privacy, fast earning, and more. It's designed to give you a quick overview of what defense is all about and how it's different from other content platforms. And that's it for today. I hope this guide helped you understand and how to get started with DFan XYZ, from creating your profile or launching subscription tiers and even using the AI chat features. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Dislike, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment below. I will try my best to reply to everyone. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.